So the video we just watched showed doubles addition, and we've been doing doubles addition using our number line. And also for those of you in the classroom, we've been using our classroom number wall to do that as well. It's probably easiest to do it here, but if you've misplaced your number line, I just want to let you know that you can use your Zero the Hero chart to help you as well. I can show you that today, okay? So you'll be using right here the numbers from 1 through 20. You could also use that part right there. So let me see if I can set this up to show you what that might look like, okay? Let's turn to our lesson today. So it's called Fact Homework 43, and it has a page. It has the page number is 145. So I wonder if I can get this all on the screen. I actually kind of can here, right there. Okay, so I'll show you a little bit what that would look like, okay? So the first problem here says 8 plus 0. So if you look right here, you can put your finger on the number 8. And if it's plus 0, you're not going to be moving. Okay, so I'll put it under the number 8 so you can really see it. So that means you're staying at the number 8. Okay. Over here, if you put your finger under the number 4, it shows you the 4 plus 0. You're not going to be moving, so 4 plus 0 is 4. So anything, when 0 gets added to another number, that number doesn't change. Okay, so 0 plus 5. So on this one, you're going to kind of have to swap it and start at the 5. 5 plus 0. So you're going to stay at the 5, okay? 0 plus 7, that just means you're going to stay at the 7. And 2 plus 0, you're going to be staying at the 2, okay? So let's look at this one. So using the Zero the Hero chart, on the next row, 6 plus 1. So if you start at the 6, and you jump 1, you'll see your finger lands on the 7. Okay, 1 plus 9. So if you start at the 1, you can cover it up. Jump 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Move your finger over. You'll see that your finger landed on the 10. So you can write the 10 right here. Okay. All right. So let's 0 plus 1. So if your finger's off the chart, you have to pretend there's a 0 down here. And you go plus 1, it's going to be 1. Okay, 1 plus 7. So cover up the 1. You have to jump 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And see how my finger landed on the 8? That means we just proved that 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay. The next problem over here reads 3 plus 1. Okay, so put your finger on the 3, jump 1 space, and you land on the 4. Okay, do you see how you can use this number line as well then? We'll keep going because I want to show you how you can use it for the doubles. Maybe I can flip this over like that, and that will help us work in this area better. Should have thought of that sooner. Okay, so let's go right here to 1 plus 1. So I put my finger on the 1, I jump 1 space, pull it over, and I landed on 2. Okay. 8 plus 1. So that means I need to find the number 8, put my finger on it, jump 1 space, plus 1, I'm jumping 1 space, move my finger over, and I landed on the number 9. Okay, 1 plus 4. Okay, so I start on the number 1, that's the top number, and I jump 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull my finger over to the side, and there I have the number 5. Okay, 5 plus 1. So cover up the number 5, jump 1 space, move my finger over so I can read the number. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 1 plus 2. So I'm going to cover up the number 1. Okay, I'm going to jump 2 spaces, 1, 2, move my finger over, and I land on the number 3. So I'm going to write the number 3 right here. Okay, now we're going to use doubles. So this our Zero the Hero chart can be used to help us with doubles as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, I think the number line's a little bit easier, but if you don't have your number line, you can use this. Okay, so this says 7 plus 7. So what you have to do is put your finger on the number 7. Okay, you're covered up. You need to then count 7 spaces. That's what this number is for right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Big jump over here. 4, 5, 6, 7. Move my finger over, and it's right next to the number 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So you'll see, to get to the 10 to the 11, I have to do that big sliding jump down to the 11 and cover that up. So that's the thing that's a little bit tricky compared to the number line, because when you're going from 10 to 11, it's just another straight jump, okay? But we'll keep going so that you get familiar with this as well. 5 plus 5, so start at the number 5, cover it up, count up 5 spaces, 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm moving my finger over there, and it's the number 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, 2 plus 2. Start at the number 2, cover it up, jump 2 spaces. 1, 2, pull my finger to the side, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is going to be 0, okay? Because any number with 0 just stays the same. Even when 0 is with 0, it stays the same. Okay, last one. This is a double, 6 plus 6. So you start at the number 6, and you have to count 6 spaces, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I move my finger over to reveal the number right there. 6 plus 6 is 12, okay? So how was that for you? Was using the 0, the hero number line, helpful, or do you prefer to use your AB pattern number line, your odd-even number line? I think I like my odd-even number line better, but sometimes if you can't find that, this chart, the 0, the hero chart's always going to be in your blue folder, so you can do it that way too. Okay, so you see I gave myself my exit ticket, and I'm going to put this away, okay? And I'm ready for my next lesson.